One of the common mistakes I see with a lot of poor chippers is how tightly they grip onto the golf club. That leads into real stiff hands. They get in very fast types of golf swings. Keep the grip pressure light. You must feel the weight of the club head. All right, start with your body square to the line. All your knees, hips, shoulders, all square to the line. Then I want you to move your whole body open, which means you aim it left of the line like this. Then I want you to twist your hips and your shoulders back to square on the line like this. Now, make a few practice swings. Try to brush the grass. That will establish the bottom of your arc. Then place the ball just at the beginning of the bottom of the arc and hit it. Not too bad.